biso. Agena biso. Ubena biso.
Egbe no mo wie me no na sanjo sanre oga san ko bo
Kakabo
ale bodo ga yo ere be lo fe la ene agbon ga gba re dopa
ise meme ye mi no ma papa sabe no mi de kala Tiyo ma jore tiyo unigi wa eni na yo
tiyo ma gana
tiyo tinya agoranya ma jore tinya unigi wa eni na ya
tinya ma gana tinya
agoranya kume o moni ya ye pelu beso na re mi na ruko fue o ga we ipagbo no kware unigi wa eni na ya
tinya ma gana tinya
agoranya kume o moni ya ye pelu beso na re mi na ruko fue o ga we ipagbo no kware unigi wa eni na yo
tiyo ma gana tiyo
tiyo agoranya ma jore tiyo unigi wa eni na yo
tiyo ma gana tiyo
wahia wabava wala waegwini uba omaga gwanladin amaga emene naga ata so also any now drop it the video ina go be continue the one when I first they do just now because this one I want talking for general language which is English when all of us go hear make I dey take he dey join she una go understand you know mean una go still understand wetin I be wan talk so the matter one bring come today be say people wey no dey let's go I no say make we dey go let's go no let's go ovane gie mi fo we hoe wane mi fo wori hoe ovane se mi aigwe emi na gi aigwe no kwa gwije ba ni egbe ma be ri oni medogun wa fana oro wo se o oro wo te o oro wo yera oro wo bi je o oro wo se na gbakian ke gbo mo bora de ke eke no ri aje bi gbo se wa 18 nigan wala o my people whether na your friend o childhood friend o your sister o your brother o your shop anywhere even though you dey go for road you with bus driver dey quarrel let's go just leave am abeg make e dey na because I dey country you use that one drop am so my people na the advice more advice when I wan bring come if una like una still come out dey carry una children put for lap dey cry o that one no concern me but the truth of the matter wey dey this matter now I wan talk so you know say if something dey happen if you no let's go different things wey you no expect from your mind from your heart from your life e go come dey come out e go come dey generate dey come out e come dey generate dey come out e go come dey come out being as maybe if you don go inside maybe you dey with your friends dem go dey tell you say no na like this we go do the person na like this like this at the end of the day when you go inside you go go dey cry only you go go dey cry say oh which problem I put myself at least make with this person we be friend before, or this person na my sister or my blood sister, now just dey do like this, or my blood brother or my mother, now just dey do like this. Wetin come dey bring this one? Oh God, forgive me, oh, I will change. By the time you get to where your group members still dey, they go still say, no, na so we go do am, we must bring that person down. Who do you wan bring down? Person wey you no carry up, now you wan bring down. Even though na you carry that person up, na God send you go there, make you go lift that person up. You cannot bring that person down. Nothing on earth. I bet this one loud. If you not just loud now, make a cut he loud. I bet if he loud, wanna let me know, I beg. Because the other one just now, don't drop the video because it's not loud. So you understand me? So person where you not bring up, you go say you want bring down. You not go fit. If person dey quarrel with in friend, in papa, in mama, in friend, anybody, do not let's go. Do not go gain. Do not go gain from God. You know, all of una dey talk that I say, hey, he go join Monica, oh. Monica wey carry mama come video, he don't say when me forgive Monica, because I know say that matter. He no concern her, I no talk to her. Now if friend come say make you come find me, say he no fit. Now he come. My own that time, let me tell you, say many things when that woman they talk not true. Because you know, me with her not quarrel, me with her not fight. I don't even measure her name for the video when I do. You understand? So now I don't forgive her because me with her not quarrel and I push her. I forgive her tete. See when this matter can't come out, when I can't even talk put. Even when I even talk put, I don't talk put because we come from the same place. Now it make me even talk put. Because as I can see the way when they call they do and say, Ije, like say na only evil, only she just commit the crime. Now what it make me come out that time be that one. Even the thing when me come gain for the back, me I not even expect, I not do and say make I gain something. Me, my mind not even go that one. I just fight that fight, say this person is my person. And the truth of the matter, when they the matter, now me they talk. But nobody agree believe me that time. Someone, if I don't tell every day, if they support Monica because of money where they can't give her, I no go support who they give me food, make a chop. Who give me food, make a chop. Anybody wey bite the figure wey feather, that person know they get progress. It they always they come up for problem or for problem. If you don't make friend with anybody, ask me they talk now. Me, now only 2 times I call Monica. What I call her for? I thank her for the waiting he do for me. It finish. I never call her one day say, Monica, hey, now this one, no. And she herself never call me one day. So, my people, so anything where person do you, my people, Mona, let's go. If you let's go, you go gain the person. Or the person go still gain you. Maybe one day go still get one thing when Monica go say, now only ye boy you go fit do this thing for me. He go call me. I go do it for him because he don't first help me. Now the truth of the matter be that. Now make our Benin people they take a me parable say Obona Samek Obona Samek Obona oh boy anwa. Make with the let's go matter. In fact, come for 2 friends. Let's go. Mona don't talk at 20 Mona come out. Even though you not greet that person again, you with another they made again. Forget. Because he still get one day. We can say, although that my friend we quarrel sha. Not be say the quarrel we just although maybe if I ask her this thing go still do upon no don't tell the matter not even go anywhere. He go help. But if you can't pass this one now, if you can't pass the one will be say the thing where person no expect now you call the come out for the matter, my brother, my sister help no they come again. So may we try to let's go matters. Don't my people don't look, you know say una know why Benin they take a me parable say Ariojanete or Masariojanogmo. Una don't know the reason of that words. Una don't know that parable. Una don't know what it mean. Ariojanete or Masariojanogmo. Person they suffer old. I don't know how to talk for English or me I no go cut it. Yes, some people know they let matter go, and it no good, my daughter. It no good. It is spoil things. It is spoil things where. It is spoil things. Let matter go. Let her go. Just let her go. If you don't even see each other, now stay greet. As far as say, this one get children, this one get children, this one get children, this one get children. Even people when they enter inside, when they come outside, all of them get children. All of us we get children. Who never still get, God will bless them with children. He will bless them with good home. My people, may we leave another person matter. Oh, me, iye boy, me I no fit go dey do messenger when I go take go court. I no fit dey do messenger for any person for live video. Me I want to go court, or make I want to take go prison, or make the whole world dey swear for me. No, I no fit do as boy follow woman like me for live video. Me I come dey swear for another person children. Wey be say my own dey with me for here. Matter wey no be my own. I no go fit o. I no go ever fit go. Or make I go Oba Palace because of person matter. Or make person go dey carry ajelala dey swear for me and my generation because of friend matter. Imi owe. I no fit. Imi owe. So my people, maybe let's go matters. All of us. In short, we will be Edo State people. Are we not ashamed of ourselves? Yes, let's go. Maybe we still go that side. We be say every blessed day for live video, you must see say we will dey fight. As Benin people, like Edo State people, as we now wicked rich. For I dey talk to our presenters. Many of them, some of them for inside. Una go village, person village, or person house. Una go snap their children, go put for video, go put for the whole world. That one not be helpful. That one, it not be help at all. If you see say your friend not they take care of your children well, just off a carry for color call. Et puis si vous voyez cette condition manger, ni à jésus de mailler at all. Emma, la go jamais, ya gba the money, ever feel the money, not throw away those children like that. Oh, go take care of them, man. No good. See the picture, person said that come for me. No good. Fear, shame, no go. Let me show this one. Or fear, no go. Let me show this one. But una go show am. Now this live video presenter for Benin, Edo State people, because I know say na only Benin, because Edo State people they live video when they do am. Una go snap person grave, papa and mama grave. Una go show people for live video. Una wicked oh, una wicked. If I look at us, I go pay me. I'll say now so it doesn't know be this live video when come. We don't even know say some people mind is strong if you poison person, but you they follow that person, my friend. So now this live video, anybody if you do all those evil things for live video, that person if you fake can follow and make friend, do the progress, he go kill you. Now later, he go fit kill you. Not to go make no go fit kill you. Person wey fit stand gidigba, carry person grave, papa, mama grave, go show people for live video. Jesus Christ. Then now also go carry my papa for go bazuba. And he tell them, if you want go, mona go show them for TV. Oh, it no concern me. Anything wanna see for inside, now say I come from. If you still pass to tell a lot damn of my papa village, they what they call loyal. Anybody will try and for me. I don't they go Nigeria now. I go make sure that person go from leg the roti curry shop. My God go fight that fight for me. Not be juju now. My God. Yes. Because this thing, it won't come too much. Mona change. Mona they let matter go. Mona not go they find person family. Mona not go they find them. If they not find you, not go find them. Not go find them. You understand? Make we stop am. Waiting now. Waiting they never see for life before. to get viewers. All those one are to, many of them are to get viewers. So all this voting when they do, oh. When they just say, now 2,000 don't watch me today. Ah, I don't gone out. I don't. You don't know, say so many live video presenters that they get 1,000, they get 800. The thing when they get 20 people, 100 people, 50 people, they get for people, huh? They never get them. I don't lie. They never get them. The thing when me don't see, I know say they not build house give me, but the time when I need them, they do. Even as fast as today, since when I still call Italy. Me, I don't know say we Benin people, we like ourselves like this. But when they go, they perform some evil things, I go, they surprise. Because for my side, people, when they follow me, from people, when they follow our sister Monica, the way when they show love to me, I go to that say, why they say some of us with the live video now, this live video, why we get evil mind? Why? And some commenters. Why? People feel help person like this for good 7 months. Every blessed day, no day, when I know they receive. If I don't receive a day, I go receive 20,000, 22,000, 30,000 a day, every blessed day. Benin people stand do that one for their sister. So what it can happen? I go say I'm not go talk, but if I go they see the way we they behave, go they pepper me. Benin are lovely people. We love ourselves before. But since when this live video come out, I go surprise say you go they discuss with your friend. Your friend go record everything when you with her talk. At the end of the day, when you pass line small, red light small, he go call live video, he go read everything, he go play all the voice out. Benin people, Eto people, what did they happen to us? What did they happen to us, my people? May we change from this thing before it's too late. Oh, me, if I they talk to my friend, that they use all my mouth, they talk to my friend. So if you record me, now what till you hold when you get, we pay you pass. You will take and pay. Because I trust you. I open my mind for you. I know they record you. You carry me the record. The thing when you see for inside later, you go pick them by yourself. You go take them. Even though now you be the, now you know the people, God is where God dey. Me, I not go curse. My own God, if you want fight, you know they look back. You know go look back. God when me they serve. He go do you, so take put your disgrace you. Not go there go disgrace you. Yes. So make friend now. Person call the fear. That is why I hold up to the old phrase when I get. If I like now, call them. I discuss president or vice president or Obaseki or this one. You know go hear am for 2 person mouth. Say ye boy can say. Now where we talk Canada, they die put back 24 years now when we dey follow ourselves they go. Those friends that just count them. We just see the up to date. Nobody feels scatter us. Even though you go say, see ye boy say, he go just listen to you. If you come out, you go even tell me say, see what you tell her. Well, lene, wabe zosogmo wabe miye urere o. He go just, they go just tell me fast. I go suffer. Even though I want to drop the person, I go they just start. You understand? Now so my life be. My people, waiting can they bring all those one come waiting. You with your friend go talk. No more discuss, you go they record them. Ha! Ha! I bet my people may I carry water. You go the record down. If you come play and give people, wait till you come get. You not get anything now. You not gain anything because all your mates they use live video, they make money. You they use your own, they record your friends. Any friends when you make, you go record them. They use them make money. So you see, I talk and say many of them when they get 1,000 viewers, 800, 500 viewer. Go they clap and DJ man, AJ boy, or Neyowa, Otio, or one na, he's a meo, a better, a bijao, a butter not yo, Wagoa. Iye bon weyako, a deagbe, Abe me fancy no ma abidi a figi e kele mini o fitiri wisi, there we are, fiame. Mama na zegi yemi na go fia gie wa go be call me mama dey post pay we many gwale mi kere dey go 50 euro wa we laba baka where you tell me you boy me I no go dey judge again I no dey judge matter they no carry matter come for me if you want you get wetin dey bother you tell me I go advise you how to go about it to carry matter come here come judge na my abd dey buy which this advice when I dey give now I go dey give if you like you take. If you like, you refer waiting and talk to yourself. Now you sabi. If you like, you come out, carry your children for lap, they cry. It not concern me, but I dey tell you the truth. Let's go matter. If you and your friend they quarrel, let's go fast so that make another thing. Not when they come out from inside. Because when you stay in the group of people, we tell you say, now so we go do one, we must bring them down. You they bring person down for one year now. The person no go down, they go up. But you no go rest. You go rest now. If na me, I go rest. I go come out. I say, make I come out my hand. I know this matter. You don't do like that. I don't get time. Even though your friend they talk about the matter, sister, la go this matter. I don't say you on your own. You are on your own. No. Me, I don't come out hand. No matter anything, we be friend. Although friend they quarrel. Me, I don't my own. I don't forget. I know even though she they talk, me I not go open my mouth again. Even this one they talk, me I not go open my mouth again. Let's go, make people and God fight for you. You know see my African German first lady. You know see Amodailo. He come outside people say all of una thank God for my that is una do well for my body. I'm you know guanoma agbame you. If you see the talk for you, what did they call you? What did they call them for English? I don't know. Agbameiyo. The woman suffering, let's go. I see her yesterday. We come and say, "Na him pikin wife. He don't forgive her. He not get anything against her again." Una no see her. She let's go fast so that make people not go enter inside too much. Una no see her. That is mature way. Even though person they call her now say your pikin wife go say, "Shut up your mouth. Don't go into my family fast like that." Quick, let's go. Although people don't do video put, but it's stop her fast. You see, as she mature, now make her be mother, strong mother. It's stop her fast. Say, he don't let's go. Now in family, now in pickle. You see, huh? So that is why it's good to be good. Let's go fast so that make people not go enter inside. When people go enter inside, now when something go come, they happen to her daughter son. They go say, "Na mama na, it's your nine, yeah." Eri agbogita ebegeni. Agita we I can where tell ya gwale mi no sunu. Akamunya kwoni une. Obiere na gege where you vivie lawa. Now so it's supposed to be for friends, sisters, brothers. Please, I beg all of you in the name of God, not be only do people they social media. May we stop to the carry people come at Nyaga. It's no good. May we stop. Maybe person first they do it before. It don't change. We all of us go rest what the matter. No people come out every day. They say may we forget them. Everybody they made mistake. So when you realize the mistake, you change from it, all of us go rest. Let's go. Some people who don't let's go matters. They are evil. People who go about doing rubbish with people picture in Facebook. Don't do it again. Stop it. Stop it. Please, I beg everybody in the name of God. Stop recording your friends. Stop it, oh. Those things will bring you down. It will bring you down, Satan. It will put you inside the grave and cover you. Because all those things is evil. It's evil. It's evil. Let us stop it. You cannot bring anybody down. Because when you are planning to bring person down, the person is going up. I'm preaching now as pastor they do, because I'm not dressed. Let me make una for see as for they do it majestically. Majestically. When you are trying to bring somebody down, majestically. Majestically. Oh, EJ boy, you're so young, man. When you are trying to bring person down, because you are not the owner of that person, you are not the one bring that person up, you want to bring that person down, you will be going down the pit of hell. That is what my Bible tell me. You cannot bring anybody down, because you are not the one who bring that person up. Then if you try to bring anybody up, when you see that, you see one thing, get one parable that our brother make, said, get one word that our brother Akoberian said, oh, we Kobe ni yeri jakuyamu, yena be overtaking ya, ekbe mari yokiyan. Hey, baby, set your kiania. Where the Monica Jenia or Igbera on our overtaking on a gbera on our overtake. If you the back in your here, for example, an example they give you. So do people have to bring yourself down so that God will raise you? They don't try to say this person, I must bring that person down. That I carry Bible put for you, Bible day my front here. They looking for Bible, they talking. Don't try to bring anybody down, my dear. Even though you with that person they fight or they quarrel, don't say I must bring this person down. No, you not be that person, God. Bring it down. You are just saying it to have a viewer in live video. And let spirit, all those spirits that die in Libya be commenting on your video. Yes, that is the truth. My people, Edo people, may we change the kingdom of God is at hand. Kingdom of God is at hand. Let us change. Let us change. Good afternoon, my sister. All of Nana, welcome at the verse. May we change and let's go matter, so that what is supposed not to come out, they come out, they come out, it no good. It no good. It no good at all. Please, my people, let's go matters. Let's go. Let's go. Carry on. Move on with your life. Go. Go. Because why they talk this thing? You know, say some people dey, you go just stand. You go say, nah me, nah I not let this person die. Nah lie, when me want know you, but you don't see person when you use and whole person dey die. E no dey. Or excuse me. Or person go just say, as e be now, na me. If I just come up for this man life, the man go just die, no go better again. Nah lie, you talk. Maybe now you self be the evil when the person no rise up. Immediately you dey leave the person, your way go open. Your way go open. So you yourself, you're supposed to look yourself, see Joe. I've been he die. I've been to hit this woman progresses there. It's when I don't come up for his life. See what they come for this woman life. I better make her let's go this matter, or maybe say no be me. Now me they'll call they laugh at last. You go let the matter go fast. Ije Salobwane Lahore, God forbid. May God not come they let people they point me. Don't see that woman. The time when we TJ boy they waka, if you see her see be. But since when the boy don't come up for the person life, you know see her see boy can be. Or she herself go say, thank God will say I leave here boy. The time when me with TJ boy they go. See what you are the experience. It's when me with not be friend again and see God. You know that it they happen like that. So my people, I beg you in the name of God. I talk generally. Everybody. Now they talk to. I not talk to one person. Everybody. I'm not referring to anybody. I just they take people. If you hear your name, now example I take and make. You understand? Please, my people, mostly Edo State people, may we comot that our nyama for Facebook. It's too much. It's too much. So this Facebook, person go zizobu, he go put person picture. Person go river, he go put person picture. It's me. Bakarakara for live video again because of this. As they talk and say, many of us they find trouble because of viewers. Yes, because of viewers. Maybe person don't do you small thing. You don't come. Now so you tell me that day. Now so you did this. All those ones. Maybe they cause such people. Maybe they get depression. Anytime they make problem, their depression will they go away. Now so me they call them because when trouble come, they too much for people hand like this. Me and they call them say that person they sick. What we could they do with problem being Edo people as we love ourselves rich? What could they bring this one God? Anything when they bring come to our Edo people, God, I beg you in the name of God, come out for our life. We not deal like this. Benin people will not deal like this. Edo people, we know they fight ourselves like this. Since when this social media come, and we can't say we they fight ourselves. Okay, person where you not even know physically, you with never eat before. If they just dark, some of them not go sleep for night. They go just enter YouTube or your wall. They'll just go listen to your video. The thing when you talk 10 years ago or five months ago, they'll come and say you mention your name for them. You talk to them for them. He go just come out, they insult you. So they go carry your dead child, they make parable, they talk nonsense. Which kind of life be all those ones? We have to change from me so that make the wrath of God not the fall for our head. Our God don't like all those things. Because all those things are evil. We have to stay away from evil things. We have to stay away from evil things. In the inside Bible say, love your neighbor as yourself. As you love yourself, as you think say you go be. As you think say your life be. Love your friend like that. As you love yourself. Love your neighbor as yourself. It is inside Bible. You understand? Una listen to one thing. Two person go they fight. May we talk say one side, the two side, people still come and talk. But one side don't rest. Nobody they even talk for the matter I gave for one side. The other side they come out every day. Waiting that as for me, waiting that in me. Like when way they look me so. Me and they looking like jealousy. Jealousy. Now be the root of all evil. My people, let us gather ourselves. May we forget fights. May we forget fights. My people, fight no they go anywhere. We know they carry us go anywhere. You know they carry us go anywhere. Many of us, we don't know ourselves just like that. I pray next year, me I not get enemy. If we want to do a Ileledo talk show for Brescia here, me I go invite all live video presenter. If you like me, you come. If you not stick on, no problem. I want me all of us be one. May we gather ourselves for one place. May we dance. May we eat together. Next year, I pray, may coronavirus carry you. Now this year will be one. Next year, Ileledo will launch the cultural group here, Edo Festival. We go do a year for Brescia. By the grace of God, I would like all presenters to join me to organize the occasion. All of una. I not come out one. All of una go help me organize them. With una go even use money, everything support the occasion. I want me we put devil ashamed that very day. May God let our head reach all of us. And it go reach in Jesus' name. May we try to love ourselves. Let's go matters. If you don't let's go matters, the thing where you no expect, I see the repeater, you go they come out for inside that time. The thing where people not supposed to hear for that let's go, when you know let's go, people go come they hear them. And you now you go get mouth, come on and live video. You fit talk anything when you want to, but if you go inside, we ourselves, we know what is there. Your mind say, you know that they. Yes, now the truth of the matter be that. Please, I beg everybody in the name of God. I beg all of you now. Let us go for whatever people back whenever. Maybe say, Mona let the Jews all make parable say, Una, Igbo people they still they fight oh, me with some of them are friends. If you see what they do each other, not be smarty, but not to the extent to go past the grave, go carry their papa. I never seen for that side. Even Yoruba people, if they do their own today, but I never see say they go carry their children. Bishop, come. Subscribe to Ileledo Talk Show page, Mama Boy page. Like my page because we'll soon start with page now. We're not going to do it for Facebook again. Mama Boy page. Like my page. Because from next week now, na page we go, they come, even though na two of us they there, we'll just do what we want to do. Come on. Please, my people. Like my page, Mama Boy page. Now I take open now. Then Facebook, YouTube, Ileledo Talk Show. I beg, subscribe. Mona subscribe. My people, I love you all. Subscribe, oh, I beg. Mona subscribe. I don't they go small. Maybe before 2 years, I go reach 1,000. Una not too much like me like that. Now I be deal with it. Mona like me. Now beneath my brother, my brothers and sisters. Now Edo culture. Now this one you go for gain. You not go gain for saga. What you want gain for saga? This one, yeah boy, cost this one. This one cost yeah boy. Now you want gain. But if you dey enter Ileledo, you go come know what they call spoon for Bini. Not be a kuche. Get what they call them for Bini. If you say a kuche not be Bini. What it be knife? You go say hey, not be oh. So many things there when you go call that Ileledo Talk Show. Call they watch. Call they learn. 1, 2, 3 to 100 to 1,000. You go read down for Bini. You understand me so? So you go read down for Bini. So this time now, the first time I take go Nigeria, I don't want to go any school because the time I'll be they prepared to go school, they can't close. So next year now, I'll go teach for school. Now go see, I will still put down for life. I'll go teach Benin language for school. Like 2, 3 school, they'll carry me go. We don't even apply. When I go now, I apply for them. So they say if I come next time, they go accept to come teach for them for Benin language. Please, my people, very important to hear your language. Many people when they my group, we get WhatsApp group. Many people when they my group, we don't even know how to speak Benin before. All of them don't they speak. Ozedo Mariti Esowo. Ozedo Nedo. So even say person when you don't enter, when you know they speak Benin, you don't even go still open her own. From there, because she don't they speak her, not there, now learn. So Benin, your language is more better than all those nyaga for Facebook. You people will just go and sit down there. Hey, Jesse, you talk where? No, you talk. No, my people. You go still get weird. You they go learn something. Yes, not be only how to marry, how to fuck, how to cook. Not be only that one we go they learn. May we learn our language, our beautiful dialect. We be Edo, me Ariagmaria be Edo Yelade. Like my page, subscribe to Ileledo Talk Show. I love you all. So my people, if you get matter, let the matter go. So that waiting you don't expect may not come out for inside. Now, not wanna listen. Like me. Now, me, I get supporter when they support me for everything I want. I get supporter when they support me in time of money come. I get supporter when they support me in time of fight. I get supporter when they support me in time of sickness. I get the time supporter when they support me in time of trouble. Then some people go there. You go only get person when go they support you in time of trouble. My people, those people they not be your friend. They are just killing you slowly. Yes. Me, I even prefer people when they support me financially, support me for everything in life. And you not go they see them. You not go they see them. e get the way when me with am take dey connect. It's more better than people who just come and pararara, pararara, korororo, koro. When trouble come, heavy trouble come, my dear, they will not be there for you. They will not be there for you, my love. My people, let's go matters. When matters come like this, talk and small, let's go fast. So that may evil people no go sit down on top. May wish people no go sit down on top. May anyhow people, when you don't even reach your sleepers, come they sit down on top. Very important. You fast and leave it alone. Fast. When you leave her, you go see say people go call you great warrior. People go respect you. People go respect you. Let's go matters. Let's go. Let that thing go. Let her go. Let her go in Jesus' name. Let her go. You see that woman that time when they talk I for no answer na that my son we go remember me again when I even dey Nigeria. Now make me I lead down for inside market. Inside big market, as get that market big rich. I lead down for inside, I beg am. But when I do that thing, you know how many people around me there. I showed them the video. You know what it come up for people mouth. So my people, you have to careful what you are saying to people. When that person don't even come to you, be careful. If not, by the time the rock will be falling upon you, you will be thinking say, na wish you, na my papa, na my family. Now what do you use your mouth talk? You go they talk to dead person. You will say because you be a kataka, not if it do you. Something if they push you. He say person will not see who they push and I be say he be now they answer it them mudia. If they push you, takiru at desabulukele. I beg everybody in the name of God. Like my own son wey die, not they put am for your video. Because by the time you put am, go they naked they swear for you. The belle one take carry am, I go knock am for you. The toto I take born am, I put for mama, I take am swear for you. Go reach your body, not to go to the native doctor, because if I not reach where you dey, not reach where I dey. Even though I even reach where you dey, may we talk wetin happen. I don't dey warn everybody. Anybody when I hear am for a man, pack am. Wetin I go do you na be that one. I go do and finish, I go enter my house, go sleep because I'm already agere. So my people, let's go matter so that make everywhere calm. Benin people, Edo State people, may we dey shame. May we dey shame some of us for inside. May we dey shame. Because this social media, no be only Edo State people dey. We be say every time, no time you go look live video, they go dey teach. Lie. They no go ever teach. They no go teach. They no go teach. The thing wey they go just do now to come they bring the other one down, the other one go bring the other one down. That one are wickedness, my sister, a big brother. Now wickedness. And that wickedness go to stop. No, now let them stop. May we let them stop. May we let peace reign. May we they teach. Many things they to teach. Many of them they teach how to make up. If they make up in winere or they be more, or they be atalo, go still they talk. If they make up in winere, they be more. Do make up, teach them how to do it. If you come on, you take this black, you go here. Take this red, you go here. Take this one, you go like this. Now so, begin they teach us. We go they look. Meanwhile, see they do Edo. You can't one certain time one day when I do Edo for Benin. All of us, how many of us be like Benin presenter when they did the daddy? Even you say Egbe British Okaika, if they ask question, it not be clear Benin, but if they ask question, they answer. Everybody was so happy that very day. The next 2 days, it don't happen again. I'm a fear, what of if they join hand? Iye boy they learn, no, may we go read that video, may we go do this one, oh. We do go there. The other one, they do makeup, or make everybody there, they want to share. The other one, share, miss you, like, this one, they let me go leo, I want go leo. There go feed up, we go leo, we go ask call, ask question. Mama, if they do this one, I go do one. Sister, this one, the makeup, or do they teach me just now? What will be the name of that one when you choose? May we see as peace go there. That one not say me we don't make. E get one group one that they follow. There, they help each other there. The one where they cook, some of them get 7,000 subscriber. Only cook, fry dodo, fry this one, cook beans, cook 7,000 subscriber. Now you get. And watch them. Some day 2,000, some day 3,000, some day 25,000. Common food. So they tailor. So when I enter that place, I say, Jay, you understand? All those people, some of them are Benin people, some Igbo, some Yorubas. You see, that they can make money, but our own, we want you trouble, make money. You don't feed you trouble, make money. Trouble, because if you go, YouTube go make you less trouble, they go bring you down. I think everybody now, they don't monetize it now, whether I monetize, when they call me, I no go cut my teeth. For Facebook now, more na no worry. They go still draw off na corner. The time when I begin to make anyhow, they go they block now. They go they drop on. They go still drop you, say 3 months, you know, if you enter live video. What do you go do? You not go fit do them anything because now they get some live video. When I see waiting people, they take as they take and make money for that group, that place where they carry me go. I surprised. I say, now we Benin people just make noise for social media. Go see as people they take and make money. Every time, wow. Even self to even subscribe, Benin people to subscribe with you, it go they hard. Come on, subscribe, just click and you not go pay put to go say subscribe Benin boy, abidi. Ije boy, not by way boy, no yate by money, kaya subscribe in emi owe. Not by way ije boy, before me subscribe, only have subscribe na ba tie by abidi 1 2 3. But I won't do tie. They say me you call it down, you no go know. Our Benin people when even follow me subscribe for that video for my own, not be all Benin. I know that try full long when I go just say go, brother, may you follow me subscribe now. I go the waka for us, I'll see boy, brother. And they do a live video. What if they do outside the church Benin? Not say me no they didn't, but subscribe be no mean anything. You go just subscribe, you go just carry it for what if be the type on. But if not Benin people, me I don't call Benin people say, sister, la go you live video, go me subscribe. La anything no concern here, they subscribe here. Mama, go me subscribe. I told me, any your pan no go market, but what pion for? Well. Then watama wona okoni magele wo de subscribe maybe can you wo pressure na de no be name second je ka ba sister comment cliquer mi keka wo go mage babare ugu so sister me egu yakia many people like that. If you see Igbo man today you open Facebook live video before 3 days it don't enter YouTube, all of them go so it don't enter YouTube, but our Edo, you boy I had 200 euro, you boy like by 1,000 about do I 50 euro ne? Which is also about me am a problem. Na bugu ade we need 50 euro if your boy ekpori me, because it's so we make very only, but to just subscribe to see your ear. If they move with some friends, you see say they don't hear your name pass and you go the verse. For Edo people, you go the verse. You not go they follow you the mate where again because your name don't go far. Not be name I want it. Now money I need. Money now I need. So my people, thank you. Or next year, if we don't fix the date, we go give people they go the answer the day when we go gather for Edo Festival. Next year, now we want host time. Ileledo talk show. So that maybe we can love ourselves. I say I go invite all live video presenter. The one wey go still like come, e go come. The one wey no go like come, no problem. Maybe you go still see us for video. You go still like am, you wan do am again, you go come. You understand? So make we try to love ourselves. Make we try to let matter go. This one na the part 1. I go do am reach 3. So that make people know say I know wetin I dey talk. I no dey vex for anybody at all. We all will be one. You don't know why they do this video. Make we embrace peace. Make we embrace peace. Make we live fight for social media every minute. Make we live fight. Make we live fight. All these beads when I put for neck so. Now my friend daughter, e dey do am. My daughter is still dey do am. My friend daughter, e dey do wetin dey call am this cream wey dey rub so wetin dey call am organic cream. If you need am, contact me. I go call my daughter. E go do am come for you fast without delay, and her own dey clear well. Even na me come dey rub for Nigeria wey no even make me come dark too much. I no rub cream, only the soap wey just do come. Oga, if you just call me now, I go give you the number. If na your daughter you wan send, you go meet her na New Benin. Na the market dey. Na there get shop, big shop. E still dey do all this igele. E dey do bead. E dey do igele. No type of igele wey you go say make it do for you when she no go do for you. She still dey do organic cream now. So if you need, you call me. I give you a number. You tell her the type of the one wey you like. You go say the even dey my wall sef. You go my wall, you tag her for there. Anyone you like, you call her. You go explain her to you. You buy. Because if I dey give a customer now, if I reach Nigeria, I no go say, Auntie, come and buy this for me, because he don't get the money. I don't give her customers. Maybe they love herself. So if you want buy organic cream, contact me. I will give you my daughter number. You will call her. If you don't call her, you go just offer do one for you, as you want. Igele, bido, you go do everything for you. Now so we supposed to dey promote ourselves. You understand? Now so we're supposed to promote ourselves. No need to hate ourselves for just nothing. Let's go. Any matter come. Let's go matters. Please. In the name of God. So that may peace reign for social media. May peace reign. If they pay me, I be say I no go dey talk. If I can't see the fight, the way we come they go, I go say, make I still bring advice go. I no join anybody. I no join anybody when they fight for social media. I only bring my advice. Please. I know say they will say, yeah, boy, you want money, we can know the advice. No, bet okay, I dey ring bedom wa. Okay, I dey ring bedom wa. My people, I beg you in the name of God. Please. Let's go matters. Let's go. Wagaye where we gina. Hey. May we embrace peace, my people. Person they when go out, see bring light to this advice thing. When go bring light, maybe something there when me no fit talk. Maybe say another person still know. When go talk put for this matter for us. May still call, nobody there you still call. You see say na so it's supposed to be. May we love ourselves. Person day. Not dey me I cut the video. Person day when go give us advice for this matter. May we let's go matters, I beg. You know the help. You don't see Wegima. Ugima. Okay. Why go aja because he may hear Fiana. So you understand me? Let's go matters. Let us have peace. Because by the time you are trying to gang up to say you want to bring someone down, that is the time even that person have already made a big mistake before, he have committed a crime that we're not supposed to judge and we're not supposed to bring that person down by ourselves, God will continue to raise that person. God will continue to raise that person. That is the truth of the matter. By the time you are ganging up, you are doing everything that possible to bring someone down, person that you don't bring up. That is the time God will raise that person up. He will bring supporter. He will bring everything to that person. So we ourselves, we will try. Hello? Hello? Oh, j'ai eu la vidéo. Yon je oui, ou agwa je ve matana. That's all. Network now.
Okay, don't do it, and it's very bad.
Yes.
Because
Network.
no mommy, if no yawo my no my all your
Yes.
but unanta we igbera manane igba na igire mi na igiwo no na iwu wa se woke I match igbera ne
Yeah.
am edo we am na yakpo we
Yes.
we are getting because we maya boy or give away where we as you go me
Ologo.
that way
Yes.
we no give away who we maya boy we no salo ya boy on we wo salo boy o very bad
Kakabo.
na that way mufua o akparo na ye kono but to say no say no buy to no no. But umana demi yo we umana demi do yi query no continue journey oge life for mommy he ko emi demi da ogo ese okay do ziga egbo ma meri oni ma ni malawo opa mahin
Kakabo.
only for I we no so.
Oh God. Network oh. Sister Weregbe call network. Network e dem ma wa vana ma no see o. Oh baba. Dege. Ezo. Oh. People will not understand. People will not understand. Hello, network no. Oh, network no.
You know, see it. He call it for you one of universe because umana ewe nugia ya ebo we let back on be back on move on. Oh, when you do you do logo
Yes.
ro most your back with your back will do. Because even nada back Janata way upe jena e pandemic are no ya jira
Hero. Hi.
Ògbègbè bá.
My my
Wọ́n ṣe bèbí ní kí á wú. Amáàmì amánáyọ̀. Iyọ̀ bí dáadáa.
network yo baba
Mami arrive et compagnie.
kakabo.
Mais il est
Ouais, c'est j'ai network now I misbehave. Ouais, c'est the network ba get car boy ya gun I understand. No call direct or can wa masse. Because I don't know ya gun. So beg even estima ya time. Let bagon be bagon. Let's us embrace peace. May we embrace peace, my people. Because this life, I just dey look and say, that one man say, this life is too short. Yes, it's too short to be doing ra as a work. Oh, Papa Jesus. You understand? So my people, we see the evening because you get one video, short video, I want to do it the evening. That man will just dey talk anyhow to. Well, me I first keep that one first till in the evening. Maybe after my day don't sleep in the evening, I'll just do short video for that man. So my people, my title of this video today, this afternoon said, let's go matters. Let's go. If anybody do you something, feel and small forget, because you know why? Tomorrow you fit find something reach that person hand. You fit find something reach him hand, or maybe this thing you go say this thing you wan kill person, and this thing wey we dey find na only this person know the number, or na him know the person wey go fit do this thing for you. How you go come do? And you with don dey quarrel, and that person now you know say your papa dey sick. If people don't tell us say your papa dey sick, now this thing when you want to do, you want to can help your papa. How you go come do? You go call the shame to call her. Not be say if you call her, you no go do it because you don't resolve wetin be say na death and life and death. But you go before you go come shame, come follow ring road, come attack Akpakpava, come follow Slioko road. You know say different direction now they make sure so come go BMA side, come go the other side Port Road before you come pass around. Before we come say conclude say may we go nothing when the person no fit forgive person. Papa don't die. Because that one will take time, take days before you come conclude. Money tiye ebe no really age oriwe mo mamu. And you know say if that person come here say he died before say he to say I know for call my friend that day. Your friend be say you for call me now, me no know. Abi. So now it be the matter, my people. God bless all of you in Jesus' name. Let's go matters. As all of us stay there here today, I beg. If you get problem with any of your family, any of your friend, let's go fast so that may you not come bring another thing where you're not supposed to see or hear. Bye bye. Love you all. Ciao ciao.